Hi, and welcome back to Professor A Designs. We are going to talk about taking two images and placing them on the same canvas. This is part of my students' project, so this is something they need to know, but it's helpful to know how to take these images and get them on the same canvas so that we can edit them and fix them. So the first thing, there's a couple of ways to do this, as always. We've already applied our layer mask to this, so we have it looking exactly like we need it to. I want to make sure that my move tool is selected and that my show transform controls button is checked here in the options panel. Once I do that, you can see that there's a little center point here. I would not grab it there because that won't move it, but you can grab anywhere within the image inside of these transform controls in order to drag the image. So I can take the image, click, and just drag it and hover over the tab that I want to place it in and bring my mouse down to the canvas and then release it. And that places both layers here. The other way that we can do this is go to Window and arrange it. And since these are both vertical aligned images, I'm going to do a 2-up vertical, which is going to take both tabs or both images and place them side by side. Once we do this, we can click over into the tab that has the side we want to move, again using our move tool, making sure the move tool is selected, and we want to grab it and again just drag it over and drop it. And so now you can see that we have it in both places. It's the same concept, it's just breaking it down two different ways. A lot of people work differently within Photoshop, and so we want to be sure that you find the way that you're most comfortable working and use that. The other way that we can do this is we can click on the side that we want to move, and we can make sure that that layer is highlighted, and I can hit Command C to copy that, pop over here and hit Command V. So that's three different ways that I can copy that layer and all of the attributes associated with it from one canvas into another. So if you have any questions on this, just back the video up and re-watch them. Um, but now you have three different ways that you can consolidate images onto a canvas or consolidate artwork. If you don't like this view, in order to return back to your single tab view, you can go to Window Arrange, and you can consolidate all to tabs, which is going to make it kind of like a tabbed folder system here up at the top. So have fun, play with it, and I'm excited to see what you guys produce. Show me in the comments.